There are a lot of excellent companies out there you might consider for your basement development project. I'm here today to tell you why I think we're the best choice for you. Since launching in 2011, we've had the pleasure of working with over 1,000 families on their basement developments in the Calgary area. This has given us a really unmatched experience in our marketplace. We have been through boom times and bad times, floods and pandemics. And we've learned from all of it and really seek to share that experience with our clients to ensure the smoothest project possible. Next, we offer a guaranteed timeline. We expect your basement done in around 10 weeks, but guarantee it will be move-in ready within 12 weeks, or we will take $500 a week off of your final bill. So no more worrying about contractors disappearing mid-project. In addition to this, we offer a guaranteed price. Before we start your project, we will work hard with you to finalize your layout and material selections before we start construction. This way we can ensure that the project moves smoothly from the outset and you don't need to lose sleep worrying about price hikes and material price increases. All of our basements are backed by a comprehensive 5-year warranty. Whether it's a faulty toilet or failing door lever, you can have peace of mind knowing that we will be back to fix it. And unlike a lot of companies, we have the longevity to back that warranty up. We are bonded and have an Alberta prepaid contractor's license, so we are fully set up to take deposits. There are a lot of companies out there taking deposits who aren't set up in this way. However, we have chosen to build trust with our clients by getting through the initial stages of the project before we take any money. This is just another way we separate ourselves from the fly-by-night contractors out there. We offer easy project financing on our jobs through our financing partner financeit.ca. The loans are fully open and not tied to the title on your house. There are $0 down payment options. Loans can be amortized over 15 years at competitive interest rates. And their platform is very convenient and easy to apply for. We make the process super easy with home visit design selections, where you can meet with our in-house design team to make selections, or you can visit our suppliers to touch and feel the products in person. One of the most important ways we ensure top-notch execution on our projects is by using detailed project scheduling on every job. With these schedules, you'll have a very good feel for what to expect every week of the project and will have a clear idea of when to expect your final clean and project completion. We are HomeStars verified and have won their Best of award 5 years in running. The HomeStars verified program requires us to submit a criminal record check, credit check, and continually verify updated business licenses. And the Best of award uses a variety of factors such as the number of reviews and the quality score to pick annual winners. These badges further speak to our commitment to excellence. We have also maintained an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau as an accredited business since 2015. Further to that, we're very proud of the hundreds of 5-star reviews we have on HomeStars and Google. I think you'll be able to immediately tell from reading them that the reviews are very genuine, but we can also back them up. We provide every client with a reference list that has over 100 past clients you can contact to ask about their experience to back up our reviews. In order to ensure the best possible product, we use only top quality trades and subcontractors. Our philosophy has always been to find the best tradespeople we possibly can, treat them well, and keep them forever. It took years to assemble the team that we have, and I'm proud to say we have very little turnover and most of our trades have been with us for many years. And as we expand and need to add more team members, we are rigorous in our vetting process and make sure that you can be 100% comfortable with anyone we are sending to your home. Finally, one overlooked aspect of our company is that we are dedicated basement specialists. Basements are all we do, and that's what we've focused on for over a decade. There are a lot of small differences between a basement project and a main floor renovation, and we have continually refined our process over the years to provide as much value as we possibly can to our clients. We've worked really hard to put together the best people and the best process to provide the highest level of quality as well as the best customer experience possible. And we would love to meet with you to discuss your project and see if we are the right fit for you. Thank you for watching our video. Please let us know if you have any questions or feedback for our channel, and please do take a moment to like and subscribe. Also, if you need a quote done on your basement project, please visit our website, reimaginebuilders.com, and click Get a Quote so we can get started today.